Understanding Nadi Shodhana, a calming guide to alternate nostril breathing. Nadi Shodhana, often referred to as alternate nostril breathing, is a gentle breathwork practice within yoga known for its grounding and soothing effects. Rooted in ancient yogic traditions, Nadi Shodhana translates to channel cleansing, symbolizing its role in purifying and balancing the body's energy pathways, or nadis. By shifting breath rhythmically between nostrils, this practice fosters inner harmony, reduces anxiety, and clears mental clutter. This technique is deeply calming and helps prepare the mind for meditation. It is a sanctuary of quiet focus in our busy lives, offering stress relief and emotional equilibrium. Key benefits of Nadi Shodhana: calms the mind and reduces anxiety. Gentle, patterned breathing relaxes the nervous system, lowering stress naturally. Balances energy flow. Alternating breaths between nostrils harmonizes the energy channels, creating balance between the mind's active and calm states. Increases focus and mental clarity. The deep, intentional breaths sharpen attention, clearing mental distractions and offering a sense of peaceful focus. The powerful benefits of Nadi Shodhana arise from its influence on the nervous system and energy pathways. It gently bridges the body's physical and energetic functions, strengthening the balance within. Balances the autonomic nervous system by activating the parasympathetic, rest and digest, response. This practice counters the body's stress-driven fight-or-flight response, promoting a sense of calm and ease. Cleanses energy channels. Nadis in yogic philosophy, the right nostril is linked with the Pingala Nadi, solar, stimulating energy, while the left nostril aligns with the Ida Nadi, lunar, calming energy. Nadi Shodhana creates balance within these opposing forces, equalizing energy flow and emotional tone. Enhances brain function. Alternating breaths sends balanced oxygen flow to both brain hemispheres, improving focus, cognitive clarity, and emotional poise. Practicing Nadi Shodhana is simple and soothing. Let's explore the steps to embrace calmness and stability in your routine. Step 1. Find a comfortable seat. Sit with a straight spine and relaxed shoulders in a pose like Sukhasana, easy pose, or even on a supportive chair. Allow your body to settle in stillness. Step 2. Position your hand. Using your right hand, adopt the Vishnu Mudra by folding down the index and middle fingers, leaving the thumb, ring finger, and little finger extended. This will guide the alternating nostril movement. Step 3. Close and breathe. Gently close your right nostril with your thumb and inhale deeply through the left nostril. Switch. Close the left nostril with your ring finger, release the right nostril, and exhale fully through the right. Inhale through the open right nostril, switch again, and exhale through the left. This completes one round. Step 4. Repeat and ease in. Perform 5 to 10 rounds, allowing your breath to flow smoothly. Gradually increase the duration as you grow comfortable. Focus on keeping the rhythm relaxed and even, letting each inhale and exhale mirror the other in length. The calming ripples of Nadi Shodhana extend beyond its simplicity, nurturing both body and mind. Promotes emotional balance. It harmonizes your breath and energy flow, melting away anxiety and easing emotional tension. Improves focus. Attentive breathing clears mental distractions, heightening focus, and keeping your mind anchored in the present. Relieves physical and mental tension. Its rhythmic breathwork soothes both muscular tightness and racing thoughts, creating inner peace. Supports respiratory health by encouraging slow, deep breathing. Nadi Shodhana strengthens your lungs and enhances oxygen flow. This versatile practice fits seamlessly into daily routines, offering a sanctuary of tranquility. Before meditation or yoga, use it to center your mind as you prepare for meditative focus or mindful movement. During stressful times, a few rounds during a busy day can recalibrate your energy and replace overwhelm with calm. Unwinding at night. Let Nadi Shodhana ease mental tension before bed, lulling your mind into restful relaxation. Find what timing best supports your needs and let the practice become a cherished ritual of mindfulness. As gentle as it is, Nadi Shodhana requires patience and attentiveness. Keep these tips in mind as you begin. Start gradually, ease into practice by completing just a few rounds, focusing on relaxed, even breathing. Avoid strain, ensure each breath is smooth and natural. If tension arises, slow down or take a moment to rest. Respect your body. It's best to avoid practicing if you have nasal congestion, as this might disrupt your comfort. Like any new practice, Nadi Shodhana may feel awkward at first. Here are simple solutions to common challenges. Finger coordination. Take your time practicing hand placement, Vishnu Mudra, until it feels fluid. Uneven breaths. Start with a few deep breaths through both nostrils before beginning to balance airflow. Regular practice will help align your breathing rhythm. Wandering thoughts. If your mind drifts, gently redirect attention to your breath. Let each inhale and exhale ground you in the present moment. To deepen your connection to this practice, spend some time reflecting. How does Nadi Shodhana influence your mental and emotional state during practice? In what moments of your day could this technique best support your calm? How might practicing regularly enhance your well-being over time? By embracing Nadi Shodhana with patience and intention, you'll create a peaceful pathway to clarity, balance, and emotional warmth that ripples into all areas of your life.